Okay, welcome everybody and welcome to this new video. In this video I'm actually gonna just tell you unboxing my new mic system which I got from someone, from my sponsors. Yeah, he got me these microphone to make my voice more clear. Right now I'm using the phone mic, and I'm also gonna show you how I gotta connect it to the microphone. I'm gonna connect the microphone to my phone, which is gonna be more clearer than this one. So let's just tear this pad. I got it from the post office. Uh-huh. Let's get a tear this pad. Okay, you can see the microphone right now. Open it up. Okay, yeah, this is the microphone carton, and it says the Z sound. Yeah, this is the Z sound microphone. Yeah, this is the type of microphone which we have more clear volume systems, and more important fact of more clear volume systems. You can see the back right there which comes with it. Okay, now I'm gonna be opening these right here. Okay, wow, this is the microphone. Wow, I'm really sure this is the filter in it, which actually filters the sound of the microphone. And let's put this aside. And okay, wow, we have our wires about 2 meters long according to the manual after I read it. And yeah, this is it. This is the wire, and it also comes with a kind of OTG cable which will enable you to connect it to your phone and also other devices. Yeah, and it has a USB right here, and it has a USB-C port right here. And yeah, this is the cable. Put it aside. Okay, let's go to the mic itself. Wow, put the carton aside. And wow, this is pretty much cool. Yeah, you can see the microphone right now, and yes, this is it. It comes with a stand which you're able to stand your microphone. Okay, yeah, it comes with a stand to stand the microphone. Yeah, you can see it right now. Yeah, it has a kind of volume controller at the bottom according to the manual. Yeah, there's the volume control to control the sensitivity, and you can connect it to your earpiece to hear what you're saying. And also you can use this USB-C to connect to your phone to power the mic system. And before you power the mic system, you have to open or turn on your OTG interference to your phone during some settings to turn this on. Okay, there's a tripod which is using to stand the microphone firm and strong, and this is also movable for movement. And this is the place which the microphone insert to avoid shock. That's what they use, a kind of elastic something. Okay, yeah, this is we're gonna move further, connecting the circuit. And yeah, I think these all that come with it: the microphone, the stand, and also the OTG cable, and with the port which is used to connect it perfectly, and with a nice box. And I love the carton, I love the foil which they use in boxing it, and it's pretty much cool. It says RGB light. Yeah, it has some RGB lights. It says here one touch button. Yeah, when you touch this button, when you press this button right here, it's gonna mute to the microphone. Okay, now I'm actually gonna set up this microphone, connecting it to my phone directly, and I'm gonna be pairing the microphone of my phone and the microphone of this one. I'm gonna be testing which one have more which one have more audio quality than this one. And I'm gonna be switching the video over to this microphone, and any sound which you're gonna hear is gonna be coming from this microphone. So I'm gonna be, now you can see right now I've set up the microphone, and you can see the audio quality more clearer than the first one which I was using. I can adjust the sensitivity right here, and you can see when I hit the microphone, yeah, actually going to hear it, to actually know that I'm using the microphone connected to my phone. Okay, yeah, now I'm speaking with my microphone, and I'm not yet added my pop filter. And this is the microphone. This is the RGB light right here, which shines the RGB light. And if you just did I set the microphone well? Nope, I didn't. Turn it a little bit. Yes, so when you just press this button right here, which you can see right here, when you just press it once, actually see that it works. And when I mute it, you can see that my voice is gonna cut like this. Yeah, I mute it and it's gonna cut my voice. And you're gonna press this button and hold. If you press this button and hold, it's actually gonna turn off the RGB light. Yes, as so, it's gonna turn off the RGB light, and if you press it and hold again, it's gonna turn on the RGB light once again. Yes, as you can see, it's turned on the RGB light. And yeah, you can add your pop filter to make things more smoother to you and more perfect. Set it right here, and yes, this is your microphone. Then on the microphone, because I am the camera view is about like not gonna show it completely, so if I straighten the microphone, this is how it's gonna look like. And it's very cool to me, and I really love it, and I really thank the sponsor who sponsored me with this microphone. And I'm actually going to be using it from now henceforth in all of my videos which I'm going to make. And yes, this microphone is connected to my phone, taking the responsibility of my microphone in my phone and be sounding. Yeah, now you can see that when I'm talking to my microphone, it has a more clear voice, it has a more cool audio than my other one. And I want to hear some kind of comment, or leave the comment below in the comment section in the this microphone audio and the other microphone audio which is coming out from my phone, and the one that is coming out from this particular microphone which I bought. It's called the Z Sound microphone. You can go check it out at AliExpress or Amazon, the link in the description, and yeah, you can get it there very cheap. And thank you very much for watching. I'm the Successful Electronics. I'm actually going to be posting another video on electronics, so stay tuned to that. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do to subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Please and please, I almost forgot, if you don't really have a contact with my Patreon account or my Patreon page, you really want to support me through Patreon for more electronic video content, you can go to my channel electrocodemobile.com. No, I almost forgot, that is my Patreon for my gaming channel. For this channel is actually Successful Electronics at patreon.com. Yeah, actually gonna go to your webpage and search patreon.com. So patreon.com/successful electronics. And if you know and you want to get epic games, or you want to get epic games theory, you can actually go to my other channel, Electro Code Mobile, which I post epic games and more interesting content. And you can also support me there on my Patreon page, and that's gonna be said in my videos in that channel and not in this channel. Okay, feel free to support me through Patreon, and I thank you very much for sticking around to the end of this video. And as usual, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.